Okay, while we're waiting for the guest to arrive, we can add on some finishing touches. So we can add a scene for presenting while we're calling the guest, or to pretend we're calling the guest, so we can fiddle behind the scenes and get everything running. So in this case I'm just using a YouTube video, but it'd probably be better to have a regular video, a media source instead of a browser source. But in this case I didn't have time to find anything interesting, so I just grabbed something from YouTube as illustration purposes. So I'm just going to paste that source in, or sorry, name it YouTube call out. And every time the scene's loaded, we want the browser to refresh, so that's why we click that option in OBS, and the OBS scene there. Then paste in the URL to the YouTube video. And we're done. So we can pretend we're calling the guest up. So now we're going to add another scene for the hang up. So we're all done. We could present this scene in case we have to do some more fiddling behind the scenes, or we just want to clean up some windows or whatnot. So now we're going to add another YouTube video, just for illustrative purposes again. Ideally you would have your own regular videos, MP4, probably locally all set to play would be best. This could also work in a pinch if you dressed it up enough. And
FortiGate provides next-generation firewall, VPN, intrusion
of course,
prevention,
YouTube could come with ads, though,
and other consolidated security functions for your virtual workloads. Sign up for a free trial today.
And this would be for hanging up the call. So for our scenes order, we'd want to start off with our regular scene, and we'd be doing whatever our normal broadcast is, and then we'd want to call the guest, so present something while we're getting everything ready for the guest to come in, which would be the dialing. So that would probably be, we want to put these up closer to the top, so I'd want the call the guest to be the second scene in the sequence. So next time we come in, everything's in the right order. And then we're actually going to have our scene with the guest, so after we call them, bring the guest on, say how everything's going, and then when we're done, we'll transition to the hang-up scene. And then once we've hung up, we'll just go back to our regular scene that we started with. And that's it.